Hello, my name is Dunya. I'm the Academic Manager at OKTOPI. I'm going to show you how to navigate the student dashboard. You can reach this page by clicking on the dashboard icon on the left side of the page. You can filter your dashboard by clicking on all classes or seeing it according to a specific class. You will be able to see any activities you have for the day. For example, today I have a live session and it started, so I can join the meeting. I can also filter the calendar to see any upcoming activities. If I don't have any upcoming ones, I can simply go to my class and begin working on my material, or visiting the Explore Classes page to discover new classes that might be appealing to join. I'm also able to see my bulletin board, where I will receive notifications of anything going on in the school. I also have the story option, where I will be able to see stories posted by my teachers in the school for various classes and interact with my classmates. I am able to see the announcements or create my own story by clicking Add Story, selecting the class I would like to share the story to, and writing the content either in the text form, attaching something, or sending a voice note. When I click Create Story, it will go under My Stories section, waiting for approval by my teacher to be shown to the rest of the class. I'm also able to interact with my teacher and show her how I'm feeling. You have on the left side of the page an emoji icon. You will be able to click on it and actually select how you are feeling today, and your teacher will be notified of this.